Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. So today, due to popular request, I wanted to show you how to connect Trust Wallet to BNB Miner. Okay. All right. So I have remotely accessed my phone here to share the screen. So from here, I'm just gonna go to the Trust Wallet app. Let me see how I'm going to. Oh, I think I gotta find it. Actually, you know what? Let me just do it like this. Make it a little bit easier. Trust Wallet. There we go. So I'm gonna open the app. Let me go ahead and unlock it. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on dApps right here, right? And then you're going to put in the URL for BNB Miner. So you can copy my URL from my description. And then you just have to paste it in here. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and paste it in, and I'm gonna go ahead and visit the page. All right, so once I visit the page, all I need to do now to connect it to my Trust Wallet is click here. So firstly, I'll click this little Ethereum looking symbol here, because I gotta change that to BNB Smart Chain. So I gotta change it to this because it's on the wrong network. So the good thing about Trust Wallet is it already has the network in there, right? So I'll change it to that. And then I'm gonna tap on this lines thing right here. And I'm gonna click on it, and then I'm gonna click on Connect Wallet. All right, so then it's gonna say, you know, BNB Miner.finance wants to connect to your wallet. And all I'm gonna do is, again, make sure that the right wallet is, the right network is selected, which it is. And all I'm gonna do is click on connect. So I click connect and give it a moment here, and it should be connected. All right, so it's actually connected now. Oh, I closed my phone up, sorry. Let me reopen that back up here. All right, so it is connected now. All I have to do is, and I don't have any BNB in Trust Wallet because I use MetaMask, but all I have to do is specify the amount of BNB I want to invest here. So let's say if it's 1, for example, I just click on it and click higher miners. But because I don't have any BNB inside of my Trust Wallet, it won't let me. But from here, really all you have to do is put in the number of BNB and click higher miners, and then you're golden. Then, you know, every hour or two you can come in here and click compound, and that's the way to you know, that's the way to connect it over. So hopefully you find this useful. Yeah, so as long as it's showing you you know, where it says you have X number of miners, that means that you are connected. Okay, so if you ever want to go back to your Trust Wallet screen, you can just click the X here to exit out of here, and it brings you back here, and you can go into your wallet if you want to. But under dApps is where you're going to put in the URL, the BNB Miner URL, and it's in the video description at the bottom. So then you just click on, you just go into it, you paste that URL in here and go to it. And then make sure you're on the right network. So you click at the top right again, select the right network, and then click the 3 lines here to connect wallet. And then it'll say the number of BNB that you have, and you specify the amount of BNB and click higher miners. So that's how simple it is, guys, to connect Trust Wallet to BNB Miner. So if you have any questions, let me know. As always, God bless. And the script is out. So if you need the script, message me on Telegram. My Telegram link is in the description so that I can provide you access to the BNB Miner script. All right. And if you need it installed, just let me know and my virtual assistant will install it for you. All right. All right. Take care, guys. God bless. Bye.